A team of scientists, led by University of Wisconsin-Madison astronomers, discovered that supermassive black holes and quasars can generate winds blowing at speeds of 36 million miles per hour, 58 million kilometers per hour. These winds, observed in the quasar SBS 1408 plus 544 located 13 billion light-years away, can sculpt entire galaxies by pushing away clouds of gas, influencing star formation, and potentially affecting neighboring galaxies and their supermassive black holes. The discovery highlights the significant impact of black hole winds on galaxy evolution and interactions between supermassive black holes. Subscribe if you are smart.